Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can add a scene transition to your video projects on Google Vids in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to that example video project here. And what you want to do is navigate to your timeline at the bottom. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I will divide or split this scene number 1 here into 2 halves and add a transition to it. To do that, move the playhead to the given moment on your scene here on your timeline, right click into it, select split scene and playhead. And after that, what you want to do is left click into that button between these two scenes, add transition, and here customize your transition. It will be set to none on default, but you can go with one of these. For example, that one. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see the preview. And that's it. Now let me apply this one here. And that's how it works. You can customize the duration at the bottom, for example, of the scene transition. And once the transition has been added, you will see that symbol here. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see what type of transition, scene transition it is. So that you may, for example, I don't know, remove it or choose another one. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.